Hey, everyone! I'm so excited to share this project with you, WeatherFractal. It's a blend of live weather data and fractal art. Using Python, Pygame, and a weather API, I created a way to visualize the unique weather conditions of different cities through dynamic and colorful fractals. It's not just data, it's art that changes and evolves in real time. Here's how it works. The program pulls live weather data from cities like Tehran, New York, Tokyo, London, and Sydney. It focuses on key weather elements like temperature, humidity, wind speed, and cloud cover. These values are then mapped to fractal parameters, so things like zoom levels, iteration depth, and color blending are all driven by the weather conditions in each city. The fractals themselves are generated using Julia sets. What's cool is how the fractals shift dynamically. Temperature controls the real part of the fractal, humidity adjusts the imaginary part, and even the wind speed and cloud cover influence how zoomed in or detailed the fractal looks. It's a direct translation of weather into art. To make it more interactive, the program transitions smoothly from one city to another. The colors and fractal patterns morph gracefully, reflecting the unique weather of each location. It's not just numbers on a screen. It's a living, breathing artwork that evolves as the data changes. And while the visuals are the star of the show, the weather stats are still part of the experience. On the display, you'll see real-time updates of the temperature, humidity, wind speed, and cloud cover as the fractal morphs between cities. It's a nice way to keep the data aspect tied to the visuals. Now imagine this project scaled up as a public installation. Picture large digital screens displaying these fractals in real time, connecting audiences to the weather conditions of cities around the globe. It could be in airports, art galleries, or even outdoor spaces, making data both beautiful and accessible. I love working on projects that merge art and technology like this. If you're into creative coding or want to see more data-driven art, check out my other works in the playlist. Let me know your thoughts or ideas for expanding this project in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Let's keep creating.